Hi, how are you?
I am just breathing.
अच्छा.
It was a flash. I am just thinking it was a flash. Event में listening to you all and now being here. It was just a flashlight. I am crying since morning. जब से मैंने वो देखा है कि I am the one selected here. And I believe मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बोल सकती हूँ। मैं बहुत सारा सोच के आई थी आप लोग को बताने के लिए स्ट्रैटेजीज़ वग़ैरह, वो तो ऑफ़ कोर्स बहुत लोगों ने बताई है। आई विल टॉक इमोशनल फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट सर इफ यू अलाउ मी, बिकॉज़
not
आई
not
हैव
not more than 1 minute because we have more people waiting. Okay.
perfect. That is the least I can ask right now.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट इज़ अगर आपको लाइफ़ में कुछ भी करना है ना, तो किसी एक इंसान की बात सुननी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। एंड स्टार्ट ट्रस्टिंग दैट पर्सन, नो क्वेश्चन्स आस्क्ड पीरियड। उन्होंने बोला कर लो तो कर लो। उन्होंने बोला ये होगा तो होगा। इन्होंने बोला कि लाइफ चेंज होगी, मेरी लाइफ चेंज हुई है, आपकी भी होगी। Let's go and let's I am very excited to be here. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I am grateful and I remember मैंने TEDx का पोस्ट डाला था कि in this year I'll be talking on TEDx platform as well. मैंने manifest किया था, but I didn't know this is coming before TEDx and this is more bigger for me. This is bright. I never imagined I would be sitting next to you and talking to your community, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Most welcome, Nikita, and amazing to see all the progress that you have done since that event. And I remember in the event also you were very, very active, and you took a challenge in the event itself about being very consistent over your journey, and you are doing it. And all the group members are super happy to see you over here.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and let me share what I have got for everyone out for today.
Yes.
Uh, I am going to share. Please let me know if the screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, so a lot of you here don't know about me because I don't post socially what exactly how my journey started. I was a physiotherapy student. I dropped out in my fourth year, Rancho wala scene kiya. So I'm not saying I'm promoting dropping out, but I'm promoting what you like, do that. And definitely just trust yourself, trust the process. I started with anchoring because I'm very great at public speaking, or right now I'm not in front of Saurabh sir, but definitely I was an anchor in profession before being any coach, before having. After anchoring, I got a ligament injury, I became fat. Now what? जो of a college छोड़ दिया है, करना क्या है? I started my event company. Things went good, COVID came. I was in depression. I got myself mindset certification coach done. I got a certificate. I got my mindset all set कि अब तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. इवेंट नहीं चल रहा है, मैं मोटी हो गई, एंकरिंग नहीं कर सकती. अब हम क्या करेंगे? बट लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, एंकरिंग अभी भी मैं करती हूँ, तो मोटी होने से एंकरिंग का कुछ नहीं है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द माइंडसेट. सो वंस आई बिकेम द coach my own self about mine, I realized कि there's no limit to the sky. Okay. So the journey started when I was losing trust because I definitely invested in couple of mentors before, couple of communities, couple of learning, and I was always a learner. So I used to always start investing. I think the first thing I learned was public speaking when I was in seventh standard. My mom used to tell me इसको तो बोलना ही नहीं आता है, और अब बोलती है ये चुप ही नहीं होती है. ठीक है, that's the difference. Going forward, I came to one night at 12 o'clock. I saw Rahul sir ka ad for a free event, and I was like, अब तो मैं पैसे किसी को नहीं दूँ. अब जो फ्री की वैल्यू मिलेगी ना, मैं वही जाके लेने वाली हूँ. And I didn't know the free value was a magic to happen. I went all the way 3.5 hours away for the event. I stay in Mira Road. So Mira Road से event I believe तभी था, BKC के अभी आगे था, right? And वहां से हमने event start किया, and then I got enrolled in the main event of FGS, which was Mumbai FGS. This is my physiotherapy student picture. That's my anchoring picture. I used to work with bigger brands, and that's a picture at the event with Rahul sir standing just there and proving मैं हूँ यहाँ पे, पता नहीं कब पहुंचूंगी कहाँ पे. I was clueless. सर ने स्टेज से बोला था निकिता ऑनलाइन आ जाओ, और मैं बोल रही थी ऑनलाइन तो मैं शायद आ ही नहीं पाऊंगी सर, मैं ऑफलाइन ही ठीक हूँ. एंड उन्होंने मुझे स्टेज से बोला था यू विल डू ग्रेट ऑनलाइन. ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने उनकी बात सुनी, एंड आई थिंक that changed everything there. Went ahead, I met these two bright people. चेतन सेठिया सर एंड सुमित्रा मैम ने मुझे रुलाया था इवेंट में। आज मैं खुद रो रही हूँ। आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम एबल टू रिलेट, बट ट्रस्ट मी ऐसा होता है। आप जिससे रिलेट करते हो आप उसकी जर्नी पे चलना चालू करो एंड थिंग्स हैपन। चेतन सेठिया सर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल soul in himself. We met there, and this all happened because I took the step of going to the event. Okay, अपना mindset, अपनी community change करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. I went ahead. Before, after the event, the first client was ₹1 client. No one knows this, but that's how I started on my online journey. I was not so confident मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, कैसे करूँगी. I told मैं 30 slots open कर रही हूँ एक WhatsApp ग्रुप में, जो FGS का ही ग्रुप था हमारा मुंबई का, कि 30 slots open कर रही हूँ, जिसको भी मुझसे कोई प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करनी है, प्रॉब्लम का लिस्ट दे दिया, ₹1 दे के आप लोग आ जाओ. In ₹1, I used to give 3 hours of value, 1:1. I was not worrying about the money. And then I went ahead, and on Women's Day special, I had one workshop getting inspired by Saurabh sir. कि वर्कशॉप करना ज़रूरी होता है, विजिबिलिटी होना ज़रूरी होता है। तो मैंने ग्रुप में वर्कशॉप लॉन्च किया, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है कि फ्रॉम ₹1 टू ₹99 कुछ भी दे सकते हो। एंड आई अर्न्ड 5,500 फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम थ्रू ऑनलाइन, एंड आई वाज़ लाइक बॉस, कुछ तो मैजिक है यहाँ पे। वेंट अहेड, आई गॉट एनरोल्ड विद फ्लेक्सीफनल। रात के 12 बजे ऑफर खत्म होने वाला था, एंड 1 मिनट पहले आई जस्ट टुक that chance after talking to obviously couple of people, and I was always lot scared. Obviously इतना इन्वेस्ट कर देते हो तो आपको भरोसा नहीं आता। मेरे साथ में भी वही हो रहा था, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन a lot of other people are not so transparent as flexi funnel team is. Trust me, I have been everywhere. You ask me the name, you would see I would be in a mentoring session with them, right? And then this happened. I made a funnel. I didn't know how to make funnel. एक रात में I got to understand how to make a funnel. Second morning, I delegated one of the community members only for making my funnel. I ran my first ad. I got this payment, and I was crying for this payment because my salary when I left my job 1 year back was 79,000, and this payment was 41,296. तो लोग जितने भी लोग ने मुझसे पूछा था, मैम आप ₹1 का slot क्यों दे रहे हो? So I was just gaining my confidence because I was not sure if online is going to work with me, right? Then the journey began. Have already earned 12 lakhs, Saurabh sir. I have not updated anyone as of now. Here is the first announcement. I have made 12 lakh. I am on the journey of 20 lakh as of now. Right now, my one student pays 52,000 on a coaching, earning 3-4 every month consistently. Latest was the 15,000, which happened 3 days back on 5th of August. That's my parents' marriage anniversary. And this idea again came through Saurabh sirs and team. Ke you need to create different offers if people cannot purchase your high-end offer. I was always like, मैं तो नीचे कभी नहीं आऊंगी. And then this 15,000 was just for one call, for them to learn branding the way I am doing. And of course, how did it all happen? It happened around 30 days challenge, because before I was not so consistent. Yogesh kept pressurizing, kept telling, Nikita, you committed, you have to do it. Yogesh is one of the team members of Saurabh Bhatnagar sir and Rahul Bhatnagar sir. He kept on saying, Nikita, you'll have to do it, you'll have to push yourself. And 30 days later, things changed drastically. And how it changed, there are 4 important steps you have to keep in your mind. One is be visible, listen and understand requirement, don't sell. Third is offer help only if you think the client really needs your help. Don't just keep bragging, don't just keep saying ke please le lo, koi nahi lene wala. If they connect to you, they will take it immediately. The transaction comes like, within 1 day, within 15 minutes, within 5 minutes. You don't have to go all out. Stop being available for everyone. Trust me, the more you're available for everyone and anyone, you will not be available for your own self. Be away from toxicity. This is couple of things that I have learned in my journey. Mindset, trust, consistency, and community plays an important role in anyone's life. Choose wisely. I learned a rule in events, or Saurabh sir, आप लोग 6 feet की बात करते हो. Choose your 6 feet wisely. I didn't know the meaning of the word Of course, I was always the community person, and of course, I was doing a lot of good thing. But वो 6 feet जब से मेरे दिमाग में बैठा है इवेंट के बाद में, I have been alert के आज का कौन 6 feet है मेरा. अगर आज बराबर नहीं हुआ, तो things will not work out. And सौरभ सर, आज के 6 feet में आप हो मेरे साथ में. Can you even imagine? मतलब things have drastically changed. I can't. And I am always about talking about magic and meditation works bang on. Skills that you require to really do anything in life. Copywriting, start writing. Start writing anything. Anything means anything. If you're seeing me, you felt something good, just go and post on Doers community that this was a session, I felt something, and this is what I'm feeling, and narrate the story. Just do that much, you learn the skill of copywriting. Communication, look in the mirror, start speaking. That's it. Selling high ticket is building your trust. Provide solution without being attached to result कि वो खरीदेगा या नहीं खरीदेगा. Give yourself 100% and they will buy it. Don't be thinking कि भाई नहीं खरीदेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा. And the recent win is yesterday. I got a fridge to my mom, Saurav sir. We got a
Hmm.
fridge. That's the picture. That's the date for everyone to see कि कल ही जाके हमने खरीदा है. अभी तक फ्रिज घर नहीं आया है. उससे पहले वाले मंथ में I gifted my mom gold. We have relocated ourselves. I have more than spent in 5.5 lakh rupees in past 45 days. जो शायद मेरी साल भर की like I think I was working 5-6 months and तब जाके सैलरी आती थी उतनी and फिर मैं खर्चा कर पाती थी. So I've achieved 1 lakh, I have achieved 5 lakhs, I'm on a journey of 20 lakhs. One thing that have helped me is clear, visible goal. सो यहाँ पे 1 लाख का जो नहीं था, यहाँ पे 5 लाख का जो नहीं था, 20 लाख को इसलिए पेपर लगा रखा है बिकॉज आई एम ऑन द जर्नी एंड नाउ इट इज नेक्स्ट इज 80 to 1 crore and I will make this happen and I will do it whatever it takes. So I am all in. And अभी तक सबसे मेन चीज ना everyone is saying, सौरभ सर ने भी बोला अभी अभी कि बहुत लोग कम्युनिटी में फ्लेक्सिबल ले लेते हैं बट पूरा यूज नहीं करते हैं. आई एम अ प्राइम सस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. आई एम सॉरी सौरभ सर, बट मैं अभी यूज करने वाली हूँ. मैंने नई बम्प ऑफर यूज किया है, ना ही मैंने बहुत सारे फनल्स बनाए हैं. मैंने बस एक फनल बनाया था एंड उसी में मेरी लाइफ इतनी चेंज हो गई है. तो आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग नर्वस एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वर्क ऑन डिफरेंट बम्प ऑफर्स. कंसिस्टेंसी पेज, यस इट डज. मैंने एक फर्स्ट अवार्ड फर्स्ट वीक में जून में मुझे मिला था, बुक बंडल from your recommendation. Second award was this. And guys, third award is I am sitting with Saurav sir live in front of you all. I can't ask for anything more today. I am just being grateful. And I think the best things what you can learn is just go and talk. Just say that I'm doing this, do you need help? Just knock doors without even asking. Hundreds of cold DM करो. WhatsApp group में आप लोग इतने लोगों से connect होते हो daily. Just go ahead and do it. Doers community have 1 lakh people. Won't you get your first client there? मतलब आज तक इतने इंडिया में मैंने communities join कर रखी है. Nothing beats Doers community from India for sure. वहां पे जब मैंने फ्लेक्सिबल खरीदा नहीं था तब तक I was knowing a lot of people in Doers community and now it's just that things have super changed. I get every day message asking, "Ma'am, क्या आप हमारी मदद कर दोगे? I have 50,000 budget. Can you get my flexi funnel done for me? I really want to understand how much do you charge? I see you're charging 52,000. क्या आप मुझसे ले लोगे?" पैसे रखे हुए वो लोग बोलते क्या आप मुझसे ले लोगे. So this is happening and I used to be like कि कोई मुझे देगा. So मैंने 1 रुपए से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी before the event. After the event, 1 rupees, and now I have reached, I don't know where I'm going to reach, but right now I'm on a journey of 20 lakh. Let's keep it like that. I will soon come back and share my journey for 1 crore. I'm not sure the date, but I will do this, Saurabh sir. I will make this happen. I'll make you more proud. And I'm sure everywhere I will go, I will keep talking the same thing कि वैल्यू चाहे फ्री की हो या 1 रुपए की हो, देनी जरूरी है. वैल्यू जब मिलेगा नहीं तब तक आपकी विजिबिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी.
That is true. And visibility in the right direction. That is the most important thing. And Nikita, we are so happy and so proud. By the way, everybody, type 111 in the chat box. जितने लोगों को निकिता का ये presentation देख के you have got a lot of inspiration. I would say a few things that I would like to highlight over here is कि जैसे आपने वो बोला ना कि ₹1 से 1-to-1 वैल्यू देनी स्टार्ट करी, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आई मीन अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, आई एम नॉट श्योर निकिता यू वर हियर और नॉट, आई वाज सेइंग द सेम थिंग दैट इट डज नॉट मैटर आपको कितना अमाउंट मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है. इवन आई हैव वर्कड विद क्लाइंट्स इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ माय जर्नी फॉर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री, क्योंकि इनिशियल डेज में आपको कॉन्फिडेंस मिल रहा है, आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, दैट इज मोर देन इनफ. आपको इनिशियली मनी ना मिले उससे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, वो सबसे लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. आपका एक्सपीरियंस मिलना वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड यू विल ओनली गेट इट व्हेन यू विल पुट आउट वैल्यू इन द वर्ल्ड. सो वो चीज आपने करी, यू डिड द राइट थिंग. देन यू एक्सपेरिमेंटेड विद द प्राइसिंग ₹1,999 एंड यू सॉ, मतलब जो ऐसे लोग थे जिनके पास ₹1 देने का भी ऑप्शन था, ऐसे लोगों ने भी आपको ₹999 पे करे. और 999 इसलिए पे करे क्योंकि आपने सबसे हाईएस्ट कैपिंग 999 की लगा रखी थी. अगर ज्यादा की कैपिंग होती तो वो ज्यादा पे करते. पीपल आर रेडी टू पे इन दिस वर्ल्ड बिकॉज people always, so many people always think कि यार क्लाइंट्स पैसे देने को तैयार नहीं है, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट ट्रू. यहाँ पे लोग पैसे देने को हमेशा तैयार हैं. पीपल आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू पे मनी. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड पीपल ऑलवेज वांट टू पे मनी. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपने अभी तक अपनी वर्थ को सामने वाले बंदे को जस्टिफाई ही नहीं करा है, तो वो आपको पैसे देने को तैयार नहीं है. दैट इज द बिगर प्रॉब्लम. When you are able to justify the value with your results, with your visibility, with your consistent, being consistent in the world, automatically you will start attracting. But that's what you are missing out on right now. And one more thing which I would like to add over here is that the transparency that you bring into the picture is something which is very very important. जैसे अभी आपने यहाँ पे वो फोटो भी डाली हुई थी कि 2 days back I purchased the fridge. I mean, a lot of people will not be ready to show the behind the scene कि no, people will think कि अरे यार सबके पास होता है तो ऐसे कौन सा बहुत बड़ी चीज करी, लेकिन नहीं यार. You are growing, and whatever you are doing, whatever howsoever you are upgrading, you are consistently posting. And that transparency is something with which people are able to connect with you, and that's why they have reached out to you. And जैसे आपने बोला ना कि people have messaged कि मेरे पे 50,000 है आप ले लो. I mean, that's the end of the story. That's what happens when you put out value in this world, and when you are visible. आप visible होगे तभी तो लोग आपको reach out करेंगे. Those of you who are missing the point, Nikita has been posting daily in the Facebook group and big posts sharing her background stories, life journeys, transformation, results, learning stories, upgradation stories, सारी चीजें. And if she is visible, she is getting results. आप ग्रुप में हो या आप इस वर्ल्ड में हो लेकिन लोगों के सामने नहीं हो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट रिजल्ट्स. इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. So that's what you need to do.
Yes.
So, and that's what you are doing. So, congratulations to you, and very happy to see Abhi on the way to 20, and hopefully very very soon to on the way to 1, maybe before the event. So let's see.
100%, because just to let you all know, before I in the morning today I got this news that you are one of the mentees selected, you'll have to come here. And yesterday night I spoke to my team saying that yeah, ek kaam karte, let's go big. Let's invest big money in ads. Let's go full automation. Let's build 3 4 more funnels. Let's just not stay, and let's do it all big in this August. And ye bol ke hi next morning I'm seeing this, it's big. And trust me, it's bigger. Like from today I don't see कि मेरा कोई भी normal day normal होने वाला है, because I know so many people are there waiting for me to reach them. As you always say कि लोगों तक पहुंचोगे नहीं तो उनकी हेल्प कैसे करो. एंड यस गाइस, आई एम ऑल देयर. आई एम गोना टीच एवरी सिंगल पर्सन, चाहे पैसे हो या पैसे ना हो, ये कैसे 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 पैसे कमाने हैं. पैसे कमाने बहुत ईजी है, बिल्कुल डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. दो चीज, कम्युनिकेशन, राइटिंग स्किल्स पे थोड़ा काम कर लो, एंड अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, एंड सामने वाले पे कॉन्फिडेंस रखो जो आपको कुछ बोल रहा हो. तो अगर आज मैं सौरभ सर से एक चीज पूछूं कि सर क्या मैं अपने आप को और अच्छा कर पाऊंगी, एंड सर ने ना बोल दिया, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. He will say yes, you can do it, because that's how your mentor has to be. So if you're not sure कि कैसे mentor choose करना है, तो बस किसी इंसान से कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ लो जिसमें आपको डर लग रहा हो. सामने वाला पर्सन वैसे अप्लाई करेगा जो आपको शायद सुनने की उम्मीद भी ना हो.
So,
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस टाइम.
one thing which I would like to add over here is, the 6 feet, जो कि Rahul Bhaiya speaks very often, and you have, taken it as a note and you have been implementing it. I mean, all of you already have the opportunity to be in the 6 feet every single day. It's not just today. अभी जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पे पिछले 2.5 घंटे से हैं, काफी लोग यहाँ पे 2.5 घंटे से हैं, काफी लोग जितने लोगों ने ज्वाइन करा था इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेशन, अभी उसमें से आधे लोग यहाँ से जा चुके हैं फॉर सम रीजन और द अदर, बट हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. द पर्सन हु इज टीचिंग, दे आर हेयर, but the people who wanted to learn, they have left more than half. And that shows you and that tells you how much inconsistency is there in work. I mean, even within one session people are ready to leave. So forget about being consistent over a period of days. And that's what separates you from everybody else, those who are consistent over a period of time. So that's what you need to keep doing. And आपके सबके पास टाइमलाइन नॉमिनेशन का एक्सेस है, फ्लेक्सिबल्स के अंदर हमने आपको दे रखा है. Learn from it. I will be in your 6 feet on a daily basis. Put it into your ears on a daily basis. You will get to learn. You will get to upgrade yourself. That's what you need to keep doing.
And last thing is, before my mindset was कुछ खराब हो गया है तो fix कर लेते हैं, repair कर लेते हैं. Yesterday, why I bought the fridge? Because हमारा fridge खराब हो गया था, right? So now I can invest immediately for my family's happiness. If they need something, I am just all there. So अगर आप लोग double सोच रहे हो कि करना है नहीं करना है, Flexi-Funnel is a different world altogether. It's just not a tool, guys. It's a world. Trust me, Flexi-Funnel के आने के बाद आप negativity पीछे रख सकते हो. Positivity आपको मिलेगी अगर आप positive होगे. You will attract right kind of audience when you want, where you want. All the very best. I hope I could add value. I hope I could inspire at least one person today. And I'm looking forward to see who's going to take action and whom I see in the community soon. We all are waiting for you all.